Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing credentials and environment. Grab your OpenAI API key and enable billing, then scaffold a minimal backend. Node with Express is fastest. Once running, implement a server route that accepts client prompts, forwards them to the ChatGPT endpoint, and returns responses. Make sure to store the API key in environment variables and use HTTPS. Avoid placing keys in the browser. From here, wire a simple fetch call from your front end to that server route to test the request flow. Next, implement the core request logic and response handling. Craft a post to the ChatGPT API with messages, model name, temperature, and max tokens. Once done, parse the API reply and send JSON to the front end. If you want live typing, implement streaming or chunk delivery to update the UI progressively. Make sure to catch errors like 429 rate limits and retry with backoff. Also, sanitize user input. Optionally apply moderation checks and log minimal telemetry for debugging without leaking secrets. To finish, deploy your backend to a secure host and set environment variables for the API key. Once live, lock cores to your site, enable HTTPS, and add rate limiting on the server to protect the key and control costs. Make sure to test edge cases like long prompts or incomplete JSON. If things go wrong, first inspect your server logs and API error codes. Invalid key, exceeded quota, or malformed body are common. Fix payload format, handle retries, and update limits, then retest end-to-end.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.